Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if NFC is not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, on this first option My Phone. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone. After click on Reset Phone, click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset and enter your phone PIN. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart phone. Just click on hot side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart. You will see your phone is restart. So after restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix NFC is not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.